Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, change your username or how to set your username in Facebook. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, then go to Facebook, or you can log in here, facebook.com, then enter, and after that you can see that this is the Facebook page. So now what you need to do, you can see your profile icon account, simply click on that and then click settings and privacy, and again here you can see the option settings, simply click on settings, and then you can see more in account center, simply click on that, and you can see this is my profile name, so simply click on your name, and after that name and the second option username, simply click on username. So now you can set, I didn't set before, that's why it's empty now. So you can give the unique name or one only 24, it's not available, so I can say 224, it's not enable, so I have to give the one only YouTube 24. Oh, it's really hard to find the unique name, so I can say uh, okay, uh, 24 youth. So they say it you are currently unable to choose the username, so it means there is some problem, but you can, because I just create it, you can change, you can give your name and then done, then your username will be changed. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.